Hey, what's up guys? CJ here with another quick tip. Today we're going to jump into Adobe Illustrator where I'm going to show you how to create this nice detailed shadow effect on your type. It's super easy, super quick. I really don't know what to call it, so let's just jump in there and get into this thing. Alright, so now that we're in Adobe Illustrator, I brought some type in, some good type, and we're going to work with this. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to select it, and then you're going to want to go Command C, Command B. Command B is edit, paste in back. So with it still selected, we're going to change the color to something different than whatever other artwork you're working with, just so we can see the two. It's still there, it's in the back, don't worry. We're going to select the top, Command 3, hide it, just so we can work with this version right now. Okay, now with this version, hold your Alt key. Okay, let's select it and hold your Alt key. It's going to bring up these two little arrows, and that means it's ready for you to duplicate it. Click on it and hold down Shift as you drag down at a 45 degree. Drag down until you're like, boom, I love that, it looks so cool, and call it a day. And now select both, and we already work with blends, so if you saw that, we're doing the same here. It's such a powerful tool. We're going to go blend, make, and of course it's going to be stuck on that 2-3 steps, so let's go back into the blend options. Let's change our specified steps to something like 300 and go bam. Now that thing's looking good. When we show our top layer, it's looking even better. It's looking like that 3D look, very cool, but we're gonna add something else to it. We're gonna add a little gap here around this, so our type is gonna have a nice little gap between the type and this drop shadow. And how we do that, we grab our top layer, we go Command copy, Command back once more, and let's fill it with white. Since we're working with the white background, it's gonna help us see things a little bit better. Now with it selected still, go Object, Path, Offset Path. And you're gonna start to see what it's doing here for us. Okay, you can go thin line, you can go super thick. For me, I like it around 15 pixels on this piece. It's always gonna change depending on what you're doing, but for this, I'm gonna say 15. Go boom, like it, love it, want some more of it. Yes, we do want some more of it, because right now, if, say, we wanna change our background color, let's just go boom, bright red. We're stuck with this, and you can easily take that offset and you can eyedrop it to the red, and it's gonna work. But say you want some textures or something. Let's just say you want to delete it from that blend totally. Let's do that right now. Let's do it. Okay, so grab your offset and fill it with a solid black. Just type in here 3000 zeros and you're gonna get your solid black. Boom, hit OK. Now we got that black offset. We grab it and we X, Command X, cut it out, and we're still left with our blend. Okay, what do we do? Let's grab the blend and then go Window, Transparencies. Now we're gonna open up this dialog box. It's gonna show our blend on the left, and then we're gonna have this little one with this circle crossed out. That's where we're gonna double click into. It's gonna delete our artwork, but it's still there. Don't worry, it's still there. What we're gonna do, since we have in the clipboard that offset path, we're going to Command Shift V, paste it in place. That's edit, paste in place. And then the magic happens when you click this clip. Boom. So there, it's the same effect that it had looking like with the offset path on white. But the cool thing about this, to get out, double click here, and then you can close that window. The cool thing about this is now, when we do want to explore different colors, let's refill this window here. Let's go back. Nah, red was kind of, that thing hurt my eyes real quick. So let's go a little bit lighter. All right, so now we don't have to mess around with kind of eyedropping it every single time to match the background. And if you want to throw some textures back there, you're going to see those textures in that little gap. And now your blend is still fully editable,
editable. Whatever, however you say that. You can change your colors. You can do something like this, and let's do something like that. Cool, I like it. But you know me, what I'm gonna do is probably do something like a white background, some black text, and then maybe my green. I don't have it right now, but let's just do something light like that. And I'm like, dang, that looks good.
Alright guys, so that's it for today, and I hope you learned something new. Like I said, it was super easy and super quick, so I hope to see you put it to work. If you found any value out of this, I would really appreciate it if you commented, or shared this with some friends. And if you have another technique that you're struggling with, or something that you would like me to share, shoot me a DM, drop a comment below, and I'll make a tutorial for you. As always guys, I want to say thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified when I put out new quick tips, and I'll see you in the next one.